In this video we will show you foods that are good to have at home during the quarantine time. These products are healthy and don't spoil quickly. Oat flakes are the most essential food you'll need, and you can eat oatmeal every day. If you wish to switch it up a little from time to time, another good alternative is high fiber cereals. It's also good to have rice, pasta, dry bread, crisp bread, and you can also have fresh rye bread or oat bread, and it can also be frozen if you like. Every now and then you can also eat tuna, and you can easily create a meal by mixing tuna and pasta. It's also good to have chickpeas, lentils, tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, different types of beans, and textured soy protein granules, as well as protein powder and protein bars in several sizes. You can buy low sugar ones. You also need green tea or coffee, nuts, and if you wish to have dessert, dark or sugar-free chocolate is a good option. The products mentioned earlier can be kept in room temperature. And here we have some foods that you can have in the fridge. Cheese, cottage cheese, flavored or non-flavored quark, low sugar strawberry soup, and oat milk. It can be used as regular milk, but it lasts longer. Vegetable oil, such as rapeseed oil or olive oil, can be stored in room temperature, but keep it away from sunlight. Cooking cream, or some plant-based cooking cream such as coconut, and it is preferable to choose a low-fat alternative. You can have fresh vegetables, but since they spoil rather quickly, we only have a few in this video. Cucumber, tomato, and bell pepper last quite long. Then you can have some meat, such as ground beef and chicken. And on bread, you can use margarine or butter. In the freezer, it's good to have some bread and some frozen vegetables, and frozen berries as well, grounded beef meat or any kind of meat you like, and some chicken. You definitely also need spices to give your home-cooked food more flavor. These spices are good for your health. First of all, salt, but only a little. And these other spices can be used in bigger amounts. Oregano, pepper, chili, paprika, curry, turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Then we also have stevia that can be used as sweetener in tea, coffee, or smoothies.